Now we don't have trunky, I can't really do anything about it. The only thing we can do is that put tissue and a tape, doctor tape. So please try and arrange tissue and doctor tape, somebody. Just get them. Press little louder, little softer, or more soft.
Should I change the pillow position?
Tighten the bottom. I think there are 6 now. C note. So this would be tuned at 1 semitone down. B or A sharp, the kind of depth you want. So the resonance scale is at a lower key. Did you tighten it or loosen it? Be sure. Put hands on these. Give me the drum.
Red color.
Turn it towards me. Play. Manage it. How far have we kept the kick in mic? Is it in the center? Into the tone of the snare and tell me how do you find it? Is it low centric or high centric? Okay. Play. Okay. So now what you have to do is that the snare mic is towards the rim. Make it more towards the center. Change the angle. Now play. Okay. Bring it towards the rim. Now bring it closer to the skin. Don't touch it, just bring it closer. Bring it back to old position. That's it. Which one is better for you? The way I want snare is to basically I want low mids from the snare. So I would point it as a